3 because you're gonna turn in 3 days.
Yeah, I'm only free. Only when I'm free, I'm going to my party only. And only when I'm free, I'm going to my birthday.
Still the same, baby. You're gonna be 4 soon. You're just gonna have your party first.
Oh,
Good morning.
oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, are you excited? But what are we gonna do first? You're gonna do your ballet first?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, people. It's gonna
I'm
be my
so
ballet.
excited.
Hindi niya nakita yung reaction niya kanina. Oh my gosh. Gising siya agad. Gising siya agad. Oh, is it gonna be my ballet now? Ganon siya. So, dali na. Toothbrush na. And then we go down.
And then link it to be my birthday now.
Yeah, it's gonna be your party. I was thinking to cut your bangs a little bit. It's very long. Can we do that before you go down? Dali. Good morning, people. Today is Saturday again, and we are going to Mia's concert, ballet concert. So, second time niya mag-concert sa ballet. Ta-da! Where's Mia, girl? Hello! Ready na siya? She's just watching on my phone. So, yeah. The concert will start at 10, and we're on the way there na. The concert will last for an hour, guys. So, it's gonna be an hour concert kasi ang dami nila. So, I think Mia's group will be turned to the last. So, siya yung budding ballerina. So, yeah, yung group nila turned to the last ata. And, madami din sila. Ang cute-cute niya sa kanyang, pa-dress. Hindi na nakita. But, yeah, nakita niyo to nung, suot niya nung siya. Nung dress rehearsal niya, yun pa din yung, of course, yung costume niya. Ngayon. So, dala lang ako ng pamalit niya later kasi doon na huhubarin yung costume na to para isauli. So, yeah. And, may bayad din yung costume na yan. Red lang siya, pero may bayad siya. Hindi ko na maalala magkano yung pinayaran. But, yeah. So, sasauli mo din after. Like, isang suot lang. Yeah, we're on the way. And anyway, we are not allowed to take videos and photos there during the concert kasi meron silang photographer and videographer. So, yeah, they will just give us the USB like before, may USB. Pero late na nila binibigay, guys. Mga 2 months, 3 months after na. So, matagal-tagal din. But at least, meron silang magandang picture. But then later on na siya binibigay. So, yeah, kailangan mo din bilhin yun. My gosh. So, you have to pay for the pictures and the videos if you want. But yeah, for our little girl, para may remembrance siya, pag lumaki siya. Diba, Mia? Mia, you excited? Yeah. And what is today? After ballet. Saturday. That's right. You remember? And what are you gonna do today after ballet? Huh? You don't know now?
I know.
It's gonna be your
Party.
party. It's Mia's birthday party.
Party.
Huh?
Birthday party.
That's right. So, ginupitan ko din yung bangs niya kasi nga super long na. So, sabi ko, maganda paggupitan natin. Kaya di ko alam, parang hindi straight yung paggupit ko, guys. But, yeah, okay na yun siguro. Parang hindi siya straight, parang haba dito sa gitna, tapos maiksi sa gilid. Pero i-fix natin yan later kasi kanina nagmamadali na ako. So, ginupitan ko pa. Dapat kagabi ko siya ginupitan. Kaya lang, humiga man sa bed, natulog na siya. Ayaw na niya tumayo. So, hindi ko na ginupitan. And today is her birthday party then, or later pa in the afternoon. So, ngayon na yung pa-birthday party. Alam nyo, nung binuko yung party niya, nawala sa isip ko na ballet din pala niya, ballet concert din pala niya today. So, mabuti na lang hindi nagka-the same time pa. So, sabi ko okay na lang din kasi maaga yung concert and then sa hapon yung kanyang party. So, okay na lang din yun. So, yeah. Kaya busy tayo today. It's a busy Saturday. So, after ng kanyang concert, we gotta pick up. I think we gotta go straight pick up her cake and cupcakes, guys. Para hindi na kami pabalik-balik. Diretso na lang tapos uwi. We're here. Dali na. Cold. Naka, ano lang siya, spaghetti. Yung dress.
Your bag, hey. Yes, big ballet day.
Big ballet
You're
day.
gonna dance so good there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna do all your tricks, yeah? Because people are gonna be recording you.
Yeah. I'm gonna take picture of Mia and Mia smile, smile.
You're gonna do all the silly tricks.
Okay. Come on.
Get in the
How's
car.
Mia's dancing? Tapos na siya, guys. Back in the car na. Nilalamig siya ng sobra kasi naka-sleeveless man siya sa kanyang dancing.
Put your bum bum in there.
Mia needs a new car seat soon. Yeah? Mia needs the booster seat soon. Alright, where are we going first? Macca's or to the
Yeah,
shop?
on the way to the Macca's, and then we're gonna drive through. So you can drive there while I'm drinking coffee.
Okay. Mia's ballet is finished.
Yeah, it's just running noise now because it's cold.
Yeah, it was so cold in the room where they were staying for us to collect them. And they're just wearing sleeveless, guys. My goodness, it's just like just so cold. And yeah, they have to wear this singlet for the closing dance. Ito yung bagong print na eh. 10 years na silahan. Look, they're already 10 years. And you know how much is this singlet cost?
Drive north, then at the roundabout, take the
$35.
second exit onto Hester Avenue.
For just the singlet.
Is it Gucci?
So yeah, you have to wear this sa closing performance nila. So pag tayo ng shop, may pipick up si daddy. And then yung bidet pipick up namin, guys. Kasi yung bidet na binili namin sa Bunnings, ayaw niya nun. Magdidrill pa
I'm
kasi
trying
daw.
to try the automatic bidet as well. So like you don't have to hold it, it's actually underneath. Yeah, I tried that too. see how
Automatic
good-
bidet? That's so weird.
Yeah, it's actually not bad price. So
So,
I'm gonna try it, and
Use
if it's
the
good, you
roundabout to
can
make a
introduce it to your
U-turn,
friend,
then turn right onto
so
Anchorage
they don't have
Drive
to use
north.
their hand.
here. Mas gusto niya yan. Ayaw niya nung Bunnings. I-return namin. Mabuti
Turn
tinip ko yung
left,
receipt.
then turn left onto
So,
Bergen
the
Way.
receipt is here. See? I'll put
You
it
have to
here.
return it.
Tatlo pa naman ang mahal. 39? Was it $39? 35?
I don't know. Oh, 35.
We're
the new
here
one,
already. So, what do you want to eat? Mia, you want kids meal? Nuggets kids meal? Makas
Yeah? That
na
one
ka.
is expensive.
No, I don't
39, daddy.
I don't want only water and the blueberry.
Yeah, but you need to eat breakfast too.
No.
Together, please. French fries.
Spicy chicken mac
No, no,
nuggets.
No,
Ayun.
no.
Yeah, nasa ano na kami, drive-thru ng Macca's kasi hindi pa kami
Oh, how about
nakapag-breakfast.
toasty and cheese?
She doesn't like it.
You doesn't like it?
Banana
How about
bread.
a burger?
She likes banana bread.
Hamburger. How about banana bread?
Yeah, the one that mommy bread ordered before, you like it. They have spicy chicken nuggets. But last time when I ordered it, it doesn't taste spicy.
It only tastes spicy for me.
No, I don't want spicy.
Mia was so good dancing. I love your dancing. Nakita niya kami, guys. Nag-wave sa kanya. And then, yun, diretso-diretso na siya mag-dance.
Yeah, I'll just get one banana bread toasted, please.
10 pieces nuggets. The spicy one.
And I'll get, sorry?
Toasted.
Yeah, and 10 pieces of spicy nuggets.
No, I don't want spicy nugget.
It's mommy's night. But we can share.
And was it 10 spicy nuggets?
Yep,
Sweet and sour.
and sweet and sour sauce, please.
Is that what you're saying?
And I'll get what drink? I'll get a frozen bubble gum.
Blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry, frozen blueberry. And I'll get a large cappuccino with 2 sugars, please. Yep, yep. What else? You don't want any water?
I have
Uh,
water here.
Yeah, that'll be all for now, please. Thank you.
Can we see free now?
Yes, yes, yep,
Yeah, to show that.
yep.
That's like Stella.
Hmm?
That was her party when that was my party.
Oh yeah, in Stella's party we went there
And
in
now
Banks,
I'm
and now it's your
my
party.
party. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Are you
Yeah.
excited?
But did you know we didn't go to the playground yet with Stella because it was her party before.
Mm.
And I want to go to the playground because it's last time.
Yeah. Today you're gonna go to a big playground, very
Yeah.
big one.
I found a big one over there with a kid.
No, bigger than that.
Bigger than that.
Your playground
You're
is
gonna have
very
fun.
giant. Your playground is massive.
Let me get it.
Massive.
Is it next to my house?
Close
Near
to
our
your
house, yeah.
No, it's our house.
You excited? Mia's excited?
Yeah.
Tell people it's your party.
So did you know that playground is easy for me to climb up?
It's easy for you to climb up.
Mommy,
Thank you.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
the guy did this. And the guy did this.
The guy is so funny. And Mia so funny too.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna go for a long drive, Mia. We're getting our snacks so we can go on a long drive.
But I really want to go in that playground.
We have to go long drive first, and then we're gonna go to the big playground for you.
I want to go to that playground.
Yeah, but you don't have your friends here. Your friends are not here, baby.
Oh yeah. My friends are in big playground.
Yeah, that's
The
right.
biggest playground.
Mm.
In a big. So I'm checking that my friends are there. And they so they're swinging.
Mm.
And maybe the kids are swinging and their mom, maybe the mommy's pushing them.
Mm.
Turn left,
Thank
then
you.
turn left onto Bergen Way.
Thank
I
you.
want to do it.
The blueberry.
I'm drinking it.
Thank you.
Hold it, please. Want the nuggets, Daddy?
Do you see any cars open? Still?
Oh, yeah, this is the spicy one. Last time, it wasn't spicy they
Turn
gave me.
left onto Bergen Way.
Where's the sauce?
Yeah, they
Turn right onto
didn't give
Anchorage
me
Drive
spicy
North.
one last time. We have nuggets and banana bread. So the spicy nuggets. Oh, it's spicy. We are gonna have this because it's spicy. I might give her my banana bread. Meron silang mga B-box dito. Bilan ko si Mia nito. May malaki din actually. Ah, drink bottle pala siya. Saan na yung isa ito? Ito yung kay Mia ngayon. Yung 5 ml. 500 ml. Pero meron silang maliit, 350 ml. So I'm thinking to get the small one kasi meron siyang malaki. Ayan. Mura lang siya dito, 25. Tama ba tong price nila? Yan, di ko alam magkano siya sa Coast or sa B-Box. Ang dami nilang B-Box. Diba? Paborito kong brand. Ang cute. Disney. Magkano kaya to? Ang cute ng kulay. O, diba? Tinatawag na ako. Yes, Daddy. Oh. Yeah. Now? Ay, nako si Daddy. Gusto ko to kumuha. Ilan to kabilog? Yeah. Meron din silang box. Meron pala nito. Insulated drink bottle replacement. O, diba? Dalawahin ko na. Ay, isa na. Sige, isa lang. Tara. This is so funny.
Okay, mommy, you can talk now, mommy.
I can
Me is
talk.
done.
Mura dun guys. Ano tawag sa store nila? Awesome Export Warehouse. Awesome Export Warehouse, Canningvale. Ang layo nga lang niya guys sa amin. An hour drive. You go back? You went back?
What the map is
Went back this way.
stupid.
So this is where we went.
My goodness.
So I got this for $26. Pag nabili nyo siya sa Chemist Warehouse, $27 o $28. So mura siya dun. I got the 350 ml kasi meron na siyang 500 ml sa bahay. And I've got the replacement. Ooh, I've got the replacement straw. This one.
We are going to pick up your cake.
Mabuti. Maganda sa B-Box. Maganda yung brand na B-Box. Kasi naano mo siya guys. Na-change mo yung straw. Mia, mahilig siya magkagat ng straw. So, mabuti na lang. Meron silang replacement straw. Ayan. So, 2 na siya. O, diba? Ang ganda. Meron siyang replacement straw. Mas mura sa Chemist Warehouse. Ano lang siya? $12 sa Chemist Warehouse. Pero dito, $12.50. 50 cents lang naman. So, okay na.
More expensive.
Yeah, 50 cents expensive because just this. 50 cents only though. But
More
at least
expensive than chemist.
I got cheaper one. $2 off. Yeah, madami silang mga ano dun. Doon na lang ako bibili. You're gonna come back here if I need a bottle. They have as well different options of colors and stuff. They also have lunchbox. But Mia, do you need a lunchbox next year? Yeah, you might need a lunchbox next year.
No, I already have a lunchbox puppet. I already have
The
it in
puppet.
the pantry. So I don't need any more.
Yung binigay ni Mamila sa kanya, the puppet lunchbox. But that's just the cover. That's not the lunchbox. You need the containers for your food.
But I found the Paw Patrol one. Is that a Paw Patrol lunchbox?
Oh yeah.
Patrol.
She saw Paw Patrol lunchbox in Best and Less and she wanted me to buy it. And I said, you don't need that yet. Oh my gosh. Yeah, when you're going to school already, I can buy you lunchbox. We'll find you a nice lunchbox, okay?
Nice Elsa lunchbox.
Yes, I want.
You want Elsa or you want Paw Patrol? Okay, we'll find the Elsa lunchbox.
I want big lunchbox and big.
Yeah, you're gonna have lunchbox in big school, of course, because you're gonna eat your lunch in big school. And you should know how to pack away your lunchbox, okay? Yeah, and you put it back in your bag, in your lunch bag. Naano ko na siya, guys. Hindi pa. So we already sent the documents needed for her enrollment sa kanyang kindy school. Oh my gosh, next year mag-school na siya ng kindy. So she will be in big school, public school next year. And yung enrollment is on now.
What are you doing?
What happened to you? So yeah, the enrollment is on now, but it's still processing. So the principal didn't get back to me yet, and yeah, the enrollment will end in July pa. So the principal said yeah, she will get back to me. Yeah, pag okay na yung enrollment process, blah blah blah. So yeah, kasi email lang siya, guys. Yung school ni Mia ngayon is still building, hindi pa siya tapos. So by 2025 tapos na siya and it will be open in 2025. So yung principal niya is working sa other school pa, but malapit lang siya sa amin. And ang daming school na malapit na sa amin. 3 school na yung malapit sa amin, guys. But our area, like tawag nila catchment area. So our area has to go to this school. Kasi yun yung sa area namin talaga na school. So yeah. And she will be there sa bagong school. It's a new school, new building, new school talaga. Wow. be there until when, Mia? Because that school is only primary, guys. So, walang high school dun. So, mag-high school siya. Different school na naman siya. Anyway, we're going to pick up Mia's cake now. Daddy got what he wants. The bidets at the back. Hindi ko pa nakita kung ano yung itsura ng bidet. Is that good, Daddy? And we got a free phone holder here, which is good. Kasi the other phone holder is not working. Naglalaglag na siya. This one. Yung automatic one namin.
I think the sun ruined the lock. So it's not really locking good anymore. It's like bending.
Yeah, this
I can
one.
heat it up and bend it back, but maybe it's not good.
Automatic to. Maganda to. Pero kailangan mo siya isaksak sa cigarette lighter. May USB siya. Nandito na tayo in 2 minutes na lang and nandun na tayo sa naggawa ng cake ni Mia. Filipino siya, guys.
What number? 34?
We're here. Wait lang, I'm gonna get it.
Mommy, what are you doing?
She's getting your cake.
What?
Mommy's getting your cake.
Check out Chase in his blue and white.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good.
Salamat na.
You paid already?
Yeah. Sige, te. Masarap for sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a free Emma cake.
Oh no, I struck myself.
Yeah.
Try again, Rocky.
You
We're going
know,
home now?
yeah. You know when we...
It's already 1:30. Okay.
Oh no. Only
Check out his secret.
an hour to get ready.
Awesome, look at that. It's a green
Mabuka.
Orange is really
Ang ganda. You know when I asked, she's a friend of Ate Tin. Ang ganda ng cake. The cake is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. The cake is so pretty and it's so cheap sa kanya. And masarap. I tried her cake when she made the cake for Ate Tin. And yeah, it was good. So I said, oh, dyan na lang ako sa kanya mag-order sa next order. Kasi yung in-orderan ko, guys, na cake nung last time, ano siya, fully booked siya. Kahit, kailan ba yun? I booked it before, basta I booked it so early. And sabi niya, hindi na siya tumatanggap ng booking for July. Kasi hindi ko alam, may gagawin ata siya or something. So, close na daw yung Pero sabi niya, she will let me know if she can take my order. Pero, hindi siya nag-message so baka hindi na. So, mabuti na lang meron akong isang option. And she, make it so beautiful. She sent me the picture last night and ang ganda. Delete ko yung niya, guys, ha, details sa baba. Baka gusto niyo mag-order kay ate. Masarap siya mag-order. Maganda siya mag-order. Maganda siya gumawa ng cake. And yung design.
Mia, Mia, Mia.
Hello, people. Baliktad kayo. Ayan. Alright, so we're going to Spotlight to pick up the balloon. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa bahay pag-uwi namin kasi binisan ko si Mia. I got her hair ready. We're gonna go to pick up your balloon. Yes.
So I'll drop you in Spotlight and I drive to Lollipop.
You don't need to drive. It's just close by.
Okay.
So, yeah, pick up
Me
namin
and I
yung
gonna have a fun time.
Baka ako lang. Oh, we need to go together. Our room will open at 3:25. So we're still early. But what time are we gonna be there? Yeah, 3:06. So I'll pick up the balloon.
Hey, Daddy. That's the one like it's where like nail polish, like it.
But yeah, hindi ko na napakita yung cake. Hindi ko na napakita. Hindi na siya pwede mabuksan kasi naka-lock siya. Nilock siya ni ate. I mean, nilagyan siya ng tawag dito, tape sa gilid para secure. So, pagdating dun sa venue, I will give it to them. The cake and the cupcake. So, yeah, lagay nila sa fridge ba? Para hindi matuloy. I let her choose the candle and she chose the pink color, and now her cake is blue and white.
It's okay. It's colorful. Nice color, Mia.
She wants the pink color, so no, I don't know. It's a little bit weird. It's gonna be 4 in the middle. So yeah, I've got a pink candle. So Mia got her hair, braided using the extension. Yung before na braided hair na colorful, na parang unicorn. Can you show them your hair? No? Later. Grabe man yung time na in-spend ko dyan sa buhok niya kasi ang hirap mag-braid na may kasamang buhok niya. Nakikita yung buhok niya sa labas. But yeah, I did it with the help of Daddy. Hala, go that way. It's no harder.
This is further. This is closer.
Oh yeah, it's okay if you go straight there. Are you okay, Mia? No? Parang
What's
ano
wrong?
siya? Parang sick siya ngayon. Parang masama pakiramdam niya. Siguro kasi dun sa nilamig siya dun sa I think she got when they're waiting for their turn to dance. Because they don't have any jacket at all.
So
Naka-spaghetti.
it's already a bit sick.
Spaghetti lang siya. But yesterday she's okay.
So it's already hot.
Yeah, but she's still okay. She's not like this. Nandito na kami, guys. Yeah, remember we played there with Ate Cheska? Remember niya?
Not you.
Not with Daddy, only us. Alright, bigay natin yung cake muna dun sa venue. And then maglakad ako dun sa spotlight. Lakad lang tayo sa spotlight. Pick up tayo ng balloon. Si Mia tsaka si Daddy na iwan dun sa Lollipop Playland. Nag-start na pala, guys. Nasa labas na yung mga adults na kumakain. So ito na yung balloon ni Mia. Wait. Ayan. So that's the balloon. Yung mga kids, pina-play ko muna kasi wala pa yung food nila. Ba, picture-picture pa siya dyan. Ayan. Nasa ferry room tayo. Andyan lang yung mga gifts and then the lolly bags. Nandito na yung food. Meron pang iba, hindi pa dumarating. Pizza and veggies. Mia's there! Where's Kala? Nilalagyan na ng food ang kanilang plate. You have to eat first before you play. Everyone's gonna come. Yeah? Go eat first. Andito na sila kumakain. Mia! Why you're not eating? So, nandito yung room ni Mia. Yung adults nasa labas, yung kids nasa loob. Hala, Jiwan! Yan yung cake ni Mia. Mia, we're gonna sing you a song. We're gonna sing you happy birthday. Yay! We'll put it here? Yeah. Mia,
Stand up. Mia, stand up.
stand up and picture first. Picture first, okay? Picture. Smile, smile. Mia, smile. Mia, look, smile. Mia, here the camera, smile. Look at the camera here. Mia, straight your head. Like, smile na, smile, smile. Mia, smile. Smile. What? Why did she turn around? Smile. Smile. Okay, we sing happy birthday?
Gonna sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday.
Okay, ready, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Make a wish and blow your blow. Wow! Is that it? You wanna try blow again? No? Okay. Here's the cupcake. Ayan na yung cupcake. Okay, that's a wrap.
Pick your cupcake. Little so. Quick. Pick your cupcake. There. So nice. You want olive, Mia? You want olive? Olive. Mia, you want olive? Look.
Like this?
Aww, no more. No olive. Yeah, Elsa flowers? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, just a flower, mommy. There, you can go and get it. You can get it.
I think you have to get the silver one.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Daddy get it for you. Oh, sorry. That's all. That's all. Thank you, Jay.
Bye-bye!
Bye, girls.
How are you, baby? You feel better now? Guys, sumama ang pakiramdam. Sabi sa inyo, parang hindi siya okay today. Pinainom ko na siya ng Panadol. Tinek ko yung temperature niya, 37.8. Siya na talaga. 37.8. And look at Mia's balloons! That's a lot. That's actually a lot of balloons, Mia. Mommy did not realize that's a lot of balloons. See, look at this. Mia got Elsa. You didn't take picture with Elsa yet. Have you? Or maybe the photographer did. And Mia's presents here. There's one kid that didn't come. So, merong, sobra. Meron tayong paganito. From Lollipops. Meet Bluey. Bluey will be there.
No, you go there.
Ayan na yung mga gifts niya, guys. Gusto niya na i-open kahit masama ang pakiramdam. Pochi, you wanna help Ate Mia?
No, I want
Mag-open na siya. I-separate ko yung video ng kanyang unboxing. Ayan na. Na-open niya na lahat ng kanyang present. Tingnan niyo naman. Ito yung pinaka-paborito niya, oh.
Sky Chase.
Yeah. Gusto niyo naman lahat, of course. Ayan. Ito yung mga in-open natin. So, ayan. Pretty dresses. Gusto niya nang ipa-open. Tingnan niyo. Hindi niya tinatantanan kasi i-open niya na daw.
This pop has
Meron siyang pinakamalaking Paw Patrol.
Mommy.
Si Chase.
Mommy. I told you I want you to open this now.
Yeah, go get me, gani?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, scissors. Go get me scissors. Hello guys, magta-try ako ng cake or cupcake siguro. May natira pang 5. Yeah, may 5 pa. Ilan ba yung cake? 20. Tapos, ilan yung mga bata? May isang hindi kumain. May natira tayong ganito kalaki na cake. Ganyan siya kalaki. Mia, daddy sleeping.
Oh, don't make noise.
Ayan, ganyan kalaki. Madami pa. Ano ito yung cupcake? Si Mia, kanina pa siya nag-open ng mga toys niya. Na-unbox na niya, pero in-open niya tag isa-isa talaga. I wanna try the cake actually. Masarap daw, hindi matamis.
I got it, Mommy. Over here.
Hala, ang sarap. Hindi siya matamis, guys.
Here.
No, daddy, pwede mo na-eat.
Open it.
Sarap yung cake, guys. Tikman ko yung cupcake. First time ko kasi mag-order kay ate, pero natikpan ko na yung mga cake niya before. Kaya lang ibang flavor yun. That's good. Sarap siya, guys. Kanina sabi nila masarap din. Mag-dance daw siya. Ito yung closing dance nila kanina sa ballet. Sa concert. Not yet.
Do it again.
Okay, okay. Okay, go, go, go. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Palubat na ako. Turn, remember? Yeah. And snowflakes na. Si Daddy. Snowflake. Falling, 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 falling.
Falling.
Nalubat man ko, guys.
On your tummy.
No. Ito yung memorize niya na dance nila. Yung closing.
Sorry.
Pati song memorize niya. Yay!
Last one.
And bow. Oh, lulu. Dutil. Nagbabaw sila kasi.
Big man.
Okay, how about the universe?
Oh.
Ready? You don't want the universe. Ito yung music nila sa ano talaga, yung kanilang group. Yung ayun, yung pink na balloon niya, guys, na may number 4. Yung 4 tsaka yung happy birthday separated yan. Kaya lang nung dinala ko dun sa ano, sa venue na, nag-ano na sila. Ano tawag dun? Nag-wrap to each other na yung kanyang ayan, yung kanyang tawag dyan, string ba? So hindi ko na sila mapaghiwalay lahat. Kaya, ayan, nag-isahan na lang sila. And, ayan yung isang Elsa. Si Anna pala yan, hindi yan si Elsa. Yung pinakamalaki. I think si Elsa yung kabila.
This is my house. Nobody's coming in.
Okay.
No one.
So, magpakawi tayo, guys. Ito yung mga binuksan niya. Siya lang yung magbukas. So, yung laman pala, guys, ng Lollipop bag nila. Ito yung lolly bag ng Lollipop. So, meron talaga niyang logo. Tapos, meron pa silang ganito. So, ayan. And then, ito. So, may fan activity book sila. So, yeah. Ganyan lang. And stuff. Ayan. And then, may kasamang dito. Nilagay ko na dito sa bag ni Mia kasi itatapon ko na sana. And then we have this, yung ganyan, sa bag na kasama. So, yun yung kasama sa package. We have the balloon inside and the lolly. And the lollipop. So, yun lang talaga yung kasama. Kaya gumawa ako ng sarili kong loot bags para, yeah, interesting naman yung sa loob. Pwede sila pumunta doon ulit. And then, ito lang yung represent nila. At least nakalas sila. Kasi iba yung prices nila sa age ng child. So, ito yung sa mga bata na ibibigay. And this one is for Mia ata or something. So, we have the Lollipop tumbler. And then, merong nakalagay na ganito. Lollipop Playland. Happy birthday, Mia. Who turned 4 today. Ayan. And then, may book din. And then, ito. Free entry for Mia. So, expiry niya is Feb 2025. So, ganun. And then, meron din siyang kasamang ganito, lollipop and balloon. So, yeah. So, yung dinagdag lang is yung water bottle ata for Mia. And yung kanya free entry. Kasi yung sa mga bata, sa mga visitor is $7 yung kanila.